Hi, this is Stanley. So today I'm going to let the engineer to show you the spring coiling machine to make the different spring. So please say hi, say hi. This is the engineer. He already 45 years old and he already working here more than 20 years. So that is going to start. 好，可以按开始。You can see. It's the automatic and the speed. You can set up the speed also. Now I'm going to show you. Already come to my hand. This is the CNC one feeder machine. The one is coming from this part and from here and make it from here. And there is the cutting part. Oh, you can see